Hi, I'm Melissa Reeve, author of the best-selling book Hyperadaptive. If you're like most leaders, you can see AI's potential clearly. What's harder to see is the return. The gap between AI's potential and actual ROI keeps showing up across the industry, and it comes down to one thing: whether your people are activated in a meaningful, ongoing way. Crossing that gap takes more than a training event because AI continually rewires how your organization operates. What changed last quarter will change again next quarter. You need an activation system, one that can keep updating your organization as fast as the technology is changing. So what does that activation system look like? It starts from how learning naturally spreads, person to person, inside the work itself. Build on that and you get a system that keeps itself current. This is what I call the AI learning flywheel. Let me show you how it turns. Everything starts with a real workflow. In the Applied AI workshop, a frontline team puts one of their own workflows on the table, scoped to fit the time at hand. They learn to map that workflow, spot the friction, and find the highest value places where AI can help. Then they build real solutions right there in the room for problems they actually face. They walk out with durable skills, knowing how to analyze any workflow, find the AI opportunities inside it, and focus on the highest value use cases. The tools will keep changing, but the skills will serve them for years. Every workshop reveals people who lean in. These are your future AI leads. They aren't necessarily your most senior or most technical people, but they're the natural connectors, the ones who can influence without authority, work through resistance, and teach what they know. Through the AI Lead Accelerator program, we give them real training chops, and they begin running applied AI workshops themselves. That's when AI literacy really starts to scale, because learning travels through trusted peers with local context. As the wheel picks up speed, it needs an axle. That's the AI Activation Hub, a named function with a clear charter. And it's fractal by design. A smaller organization might have one, and a global enterprise might have dozens, spread across functions and business units. Each hub has 5 main roles. It runs the Train the Trainer programs that prepare your AI leads to spread knowledge. It reduces cognitive load by tracking the latest AI developments. It creates micro-learning that leads can put straight into a practitioner's hands. It measures impact and results, and it spreads success patterns horizontally from hub to hub across the organization. So that's one direction of the flywheel. Hubs equip leads, leads teach teams, and knowledge flows all the way to the edge of the organization. And here's the powerful part. The wheel spins both ways. A practitioner on the front line discovers something brilliant. Her AI lead notices and passes it to the hub, and the hub shares it with every other hub. A good idea from one corner of the organization becomes everyone's advantage. Every person on the front line is another hand on the wheel. This same network activates your governance. When policy changes, each hub interprets nuances for its part of the organization and puts it into the hands of the AI leads, who can answer frontline questions in the moment. And when issues surface at the edge, they travel the same path back, so your guardrails stay current without slowing anyone down. Together, this creates a system that can not only spread AI knowledge once, but keep itself updated as AI continues to evolve, because it runs on empowered people who are constantly learning and teaching. That's the full turn of the wheel: spark, spread, scale, and sustain. The pace of AI isn't going to slow down, and the organizations that pull ahead will be the ones that learn faster than the world is changing. If you'd like to see where to apply the first push in your organization, let's talk.